If you like the majesty of tall buildings, you might choose to specialise in structural engineering. Geraldine Howson trained as a civil engineer, but now works as a structural engineer on high-rise buildings in Canary Wharf, London.
We're currently in Docklands, Canary Wharf, which is an area of development of buildings for office space, retail space, trying to create a financial district in London. This particular high-rise building is going to be 37 stories when it's completed. Originally this was dock, so originally where we're standing now would have been underwater, and what they've done is they've created what they call a cofferdam, which is these steel piles that you can see around the side, and that creates a dry space in which to construct the building from the bottom up. So at the moment we've got foundations in, piled foundations, and the raft slab along the bottom, and then we're going to be starting with the central core, which provides the stability to the building. It's the central part of the building where normally you'll find the lifts and the stairwells. If it wasn't there, the building wouldn't stand up.
I've always been interested in high-rise buildings because it's stretching the boundaries of structural engineering. It's taking everything to its absolute limits. I'm very fortunate in the fact that our company has a specialist team that work on high-rise structures all over the world: New York, Mexico, Hong Kong, and now in London. And the building that I'm developing at the moment is one that's going for planning permission in Canary Wharf, which is going to be approximately 50 stories high, which is very exciting. It's the first time I've ever worked on such a high-rise structure, so it's very exciting for me. I didn't know what I was wanting to do as a career when I was at school, so I decided to choose A-level subjects that I was interested in, and hope that that would lead me to a career path that I would enjoy. I studied maths, physics and geography A-level. I then went on to do a degree in civil engineering with German language, which meant I had the opportunity to work in Germany for a year as part of a 4-year course. When I first told my parents that I wanted to go to university to study civil engineering, I think mainly they were very proud. I was one of the first people in the family to go to university, and the first engineer. The first major project that I worked on was Dartford and Gravesham Hospital project, where I worked on the design and also then went on to work on site as a site engineer. And that was a great boost to the career because it means that you can see the design element from the office space, but you also then go to see your design actually implemented on site, what type of problems the engineers on site were facing trying to implement your design and how you may have designed things better. One of the main points I enjoy about structural engineering is the way that you can be creative, but you can also have the maths to back it up. So it's almost being creative, but with the technical background to support that creativity. I think each project is different. You're always learning on every project that you work on. If every project and every building is a prototype, because none are ever the same.